Good afternoon mga choy. Flex natin unit natin. This is 64B manual 4x4. Look at mga choy. Nice paint with sticker. 15 ang mags nito. This is individual seat 4x4. Cut inside. Nice paint mga choy. Can start the unit. Nice kayang color inside mga choy. Nice paint with dashcam, stereo, with touch aircon. This is sky blue color with roof rack. Look at mga choy, this is a 64B 4x4 manual going to Binaleo, Cebu City. Good luck mga choy, God bless.